Hey everybody, this is Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer, and your tech tip for this week involves downloading your PDFs from Docusign. That's right everybody, I have a real quick video for you this week. First of all, let's hop into Docusign and make sure you're in Docusign rooms, and I'm going to go ahead and hop into one of my rooms here. I have agents ask me all the time, what's a quick way for me to download a version of the offer to purchase to take with me to a listing consultation? Well, it's pretty easy. We're going to go to the Documents tab here, and I'm going to hop over to Add Forms, Docusign Forms, drop down to the in-car folder, look for Exclusive Right to Sell, select and add. And now with that form in your room, you should be able to right-click on it, apply our form template. And once you've applied your template, you can now right-click on it and download the document. Or you can also right-click on the document and print it directly. Once again, I'm Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer. I want you to know that I'm always here to help you with these quick tips. If you ever have a question, please do not hesitate to reach out. And also don't forget that tomorrow, Tuesday, at 11 a.m., we will be having our monthly team meeting. It will be in person and on Zoom. I hope to see y'all there, and have a great week.